The 2024 Volkswagen ID.4 is set to bring a host of updates, both in terms of performance and interior features. Slated to go on sale in early 2024, the revised model will continue to be assembled at VW's Chattanooga factory. One of the most significant updates is the new drive unit for the ID.4 with an 82 kilowatt-hour battery, which now produces 282 horsepower for the rear drive layout and 330 horsepower for the all-wheel drive version. This is a substantial increase from the previous 201 horsepower for the rear drive and 295 horsepower for the all-wheel drive variants. In terms of range, Volkswagen reports that the new drive unit will also extend the ID.4's mileage, although exact figures are yet to be released. The current range for the ID.4 Pro with 19-inch wheels and an 82 kilowatt-hour battery is 275 miles, and it's the same for the ID.4 Pro S with 20-inch wheels. The all-wheel drive versions have a range of 255 miles. The interior of the 2024 ID.4 also sees significant changes, starting with a new 12.9-inch center screen for models with the 82 kilowatt-hour battery. Those with the 62 kilowatt-hour pack will continue to have a 12-inch display. Volkswagen claims that the larger screen will offer a more intuitive climate control interface and revised menus. Additionally, the gear selector has been moved to a stalk on the steering column, making it more accessible. Comfort features have also been upgraded. The ID.4S trim with the 82 kilowatt-hour battery now comes with ventilated front-row seats. Audiophiles will appreciate the S Plus trim, which features a Harman Kardon 9-speaker stereo system complete with a 16-channel amplifier. Wheel options have been expanded as well. The ID.4 standard all-wheel drive will now come with 20-inch wheels, while the S Plus trim will feature 21-inch wheels. This adds to the vehicle's aesthetic appeal and could potentially offer better road grip. Battery options remain diverse for different trims. The 2024 ID.4 will offer a 62 kilowatt-hour battery for the standard and S trims with rear-wheel drive. The larger 82 kilowatt-hour pack will be available for the Pro, Pro S, and Pro S Plus trims in both rear and all-wheel drive configurations. As for pricing, the 2023 model of the ID.4 starts at $40,290 after a $1,295 destination fee. However, buyers can avail themselves of a $7,500 tax credit. The range-topping ID.4 all-wheel drive Pro S with 20-inch wheels comes in at $54,090 before any incentives. The 2024 Volkswagen ID.4 seems to be a comprehensive update that addresses performance, comfort, and usability. With a more powerful drive unit, enhanced interior features, and a range of comfort and aesthetic upgrades, it aims to be a strong contender in the electric vehicle market. While the exact pricing for the 2024 model is yet to be announced, the available tax credits and the range of features make it an attractive option for potential buyers. With these updates, Volkswagen seems to be taking significant steps to solidify its position in the rapidly evolving electric vehicle landscape. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.